How to change phone number on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the phone number, what you can simply do is launch the settings application on a device. As you do that, scroll down and tap on the option of the Google account, or what you can do is simply launch any of your Google services. So here I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select on Manage your Google account. As you tap on Manage your Google account, you get the option of Personal Info, so tap on Personal Info. Now, scroll down and you get the option of Phone, so tap on the Phone Number option. And as you tap on Phone, you can simply change your phone number right over here. So, in order to change the phone number on Android, what you simply need to do is tap on the option over here for your current phone number and then select on the option of Change Phone Number over here. So, you can simply just remove the current phone number and then tap on Setup. So let's tap on Setup and verify yourself and change the phone number on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.